Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is 19-year-old goes nuts inside store, turns into a felony. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man. Let's do it.
Hey, what's going on? No, what?
No, you're gonna take me away.
I don't just come take people away. What's going on?
What exactly has been going on with this female?
She came in, she was crying, tried to console her, thought she just wanted to talk, but I don't know, you seen her out there, so I don't know if she had parents or whatnot, so I called you guys, one of you guys came by, then she came back right after he left, then I called you guys again.
Hey, what's going on?
I just want to find my stuff, okay, but I'm not doing anything, please.
Okay, I'm not saying... Hey, calm down.
I'm not doing anything, please.
Calm down.
I just want to find my stuff, please. I'm not doing it.
I didn't say it. Hey, listen, ma'am. I'm Detective Harbaugh to the Sheriff's Office. I didn't say you did anything wrong. Do you know where you are?
Yes, I'm in Holly Navarre, and I'm like 2 miles from my car, and I don't know where it is, and I just...
Where'd you last have your car? Where'd you last...
My license is in my purse, and it's where my car is, and I don't know where my car is, because it's in like a 10-mile radius, and I just want my stuff.
Where did you last see your car?
At my friend Matthew's house.
And where's Matthew live?
I don't remember.
Does he live in Navarre?
Yes, he lives close. I don't want anybody in trouble. This is my fault, okay?
Nobody's in trouble.
I'm sorry.
What's your name? Let's start with that.
Sophia.
How long ago did you leave from...
A while ago, I don't know.
Did you walk?
Yes, I don't remember. Yes, I walked.
But you don't remember where you walked from?
I came here.
I know, but...
I just want my stuff. I don't want to go. I'm sorry.
You haven't done anything wrong.
My parents.
What are your parents?
Did you find it?
That's what she's giving. I can't find her in the system. Spelling of that last name, we only have 2 people. Both names. You live on Grand? Do you live on Oriole Beach or off Oriole Beach?
Why would I tell you that if you're not even helping me find my shit? Why would I give you something if you're not giving me something? Because you're just gonna fucking take me to the hospital and you're gonna put me in there and you're gonna say she's hysterical.
What do you call this?
Huh?
What do you call this act right now that you got?
Act?
Yeah, is
Call
it
them
historical?
that. Fucking call them that.
Are you
Please
hysterical?
fucking call them that. Yeah, fucking clearly because none of you can do your fucking job.
You were hysterical before.
Yeah, clearly I fucking am, and you're just making it fucking worse. You're literally just fucking instigating it because you suck at your fucking job.
Who has your purse and belongings?
Seth!
What's his last name?
S-E-T-H-S.
Alright, slow down and spell that for me.
I'm not saying shit with him here.
Alright, so the way I understand this is you want us to do our job, but yet you won't give us the information to do our job. Is that correct?
I won't give it to you till he's fucking gone because clearly all he wants to do is fucking instigate shit.
You said the other person wanted to instigate.
Because you're saying that I'm fucking doing shit and you want to go back and fucking forth. It's your job to go back and fucking
How about you look at me?
No, it's to protect the fucking sir.
How about you?
You're welcome. You're welcome.
I'm sure you do it every day, don't you?
Because I'm sure that you know what your job is.
I do.
Okay,
I 100% do.
Fucking clearly.
How about you look?
This is gonna go south real quick, man. Real quick, bro. I'm already losing patience, boy. So I know this cop with the pen and everything, he's a lot more calmer, but the other ones, you know, yeah, he done had enough. And I'll probably be more like the other cop. Nah, I pretty much done had enough because you're not cooperating. And this is the second time that we've been out here. So I would be pissed. You know what I mean? If a cop from that department has already been out there, then you leave, and then the cop leaves, and then she pops back up. Now this is the second time we're dealing with you. Come on now, I'd be pissed.
Look at me.
Young and dumb. Probably gave a false name.
No, I didn't do anything. Stop
Quit.
I wasn't fucking doing anything.
Quit pulling away or you're going to wind up on the ground.
Arresting me. Fuck the fucking ground. I didn't do shit. I didn't do you. Yes. Now go away. It's so fucking funny. Laugh in my fucking face again. Laugh in my fucking face again. Put me on the ground. Put me on the fucking ground. Stop fucking kicking me. Cussing me.
Ooh, did y'all see how she landed? Cuffed behind the back, face first, concrete. Did y'all see that? Oh my. Ooh, oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh.
Wait, or you're going to wind up on the ground.
Arresting me. Fuck the fucking ground. I didn't do shit. I didn't do you. Yes. Now go away. It's so fucking funny. Laugh in my fucking face again. Laugh in my fucking face again. Put me on the ground. Put me on the fucking ground. Stop kicking me.
God.
Cussing me.
Get her fucking feet off of mine.
I didn't do shit. I don't want my fucking ground. So stop fucking cussing at me.
Now she's kicking, so get correct.
Then stop putting me on the fucking ground. I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit. I didn't.
Come on,
Quit.
I didn't do bullshit.
Can you hold?
I didn't.
Hold on.
I didn't do shit. You. I didn't do fucking shit.
Hey, they're in my trunk. You can sit here for.
You. You. I didn't do bullshit. I didn't do bullshit. I didn't.
You're intoxicated. I can smell the alcohol.
Just take that spot where I was.
I didn't do bullshit. Fuck off.
I can smell the alcohol coming
Now
off.
that we're
you.
controlled,
Go to the fucking house. You
let's see if we can double up these handcuffs.
I didn't do bullshit. Fuck all of you.
Quit trying to hide it. It's only going to make it work.
Let me out of here.
You got these locked?
Yep. Double check them, but they're locked up.
Stop fucking grabbing.
Fuck you.
They're double locked already?
I can cuss you,
Yes.
fucking asshole.
No, because these are too loose.
We'll bring the car over and we'll do that.
Fuck you.
These are too loose. You need to get here
I wish I
Defend
got
the arm
fucking pissed off.
to prevent more movement of that.
Quit.
Fuck you. Fuck all of you. Fuck all of you.
Alright, I can fit an index finger in one and a thumb in the other one.
I don't have shit. Fuck you. Bullshit. So suck my dick.
You got one of those?
Get off of me. I can't fucking breathe, asshole.
You're talking.
I can't fucking breathe, asshole.
You're talking.
Get your name off! I hate all of you!
Yep. Double feet. 3, 2, 1.
Quit.
I hate all of you! Like you! Get off! I can't... Don't touch me! Stop!
It's such a good start to your adult life. 19 years old. Definitely felony. Definitely. Can't control your alcohol. Train wreck. Train wreck. You better turn it around. Because now you're on YouTube. And, yeah. So embarrassing.
Kick me, kick me.
She's got nothing else.
All of that is by
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.